Get her to kiss you. Give Auntie Alyssa a kiss. Oh, she almost did. Give her a kiss. Go, pucker up, Alyssa. Give her a kiss. Give her a kiss. Keep puckering. Get closer.
I'm scared. It's gonna be slobbery.
It's gonna be adorable. Turn her around. She's trying to blow you kisses.
Here.
Give her a kiss.
Give me a kiss. I'm scared for a kiss.
Give her a kiss. That's a way to give her a kiss.
The doggy.
Give her a kiss. No, give her a kiss. Give your Auntie Alyssa a kiss.